here at Mondo's shop. Check them out, Elite Innovations, Performance and Off-Road in North Augusta. Brandon about to get some new tires. Got this guy lifted up. These for sale. Toyota AC2s. Brandon, I think he said he got 7,000 miles on it. Mondo got everything you need, man. Come check them out. Elite Innovation. Not sure these are still or not, but doing all that shit, man. What? How you feeling, bro? That boy finna get no graps on the wheel. Mondo. We got the 40s on his shit. Yeah. Check them out, check them out. Got the 5th Gen Cummins. Paint match. Goys lift. Facts. It is deleted and tuned. Paint match tails as well. Hitch. Sounds good. Oh.
Is that low?
And then not sure whose this is, but clean ass Aluma duty. Also on some KG1s, this one leveled. I guess he getting some mirrors coming in, getting painted. This shit's pretty clean though. Tail lights as well. Clean as hell. Yeah, them bills hitting, bro. Telling you, this shit on the D-Max. Had to show them the damn UCAs and the Fox shocks. Y'all let them know you ain't fucking around. Oh, shit. You need to clean this motherfucker. Shit dirty. Tripping.
How's it going?
See, spacers for sales too. Ship to Industries.
Yeah, I'm getting bread up by myself. You can get bread up by yourself. Niggas be hating, don't know before. I'm really alerting my bitch out your door. Catching these flies and sleep on the floor. Trying to get rich, gotta step out the Porsche. She just in rest, so they open the door. Sit on the money, go get you some more. We got 38 stitches. It's in the club with no permission. Twist was a light, but I don't wanna mix. Switch to the lights, I'm going to mix. You can get right, trying to roll for end. Be my all white V6 in the engine. Mine too fast, so the switch on the engine. I gotta keep it, no kid, my niche. When I put beat in the ass, I team move like a venom. They say I'm slow, cause they know I got venom. But I fell off my right, I'm winning. I got the wolves to the rest of the ceiling. I've been in one cause I came for a million. Nigga, I'm going be fearless. I got a mood, I stuck with a pill. So I gotta tell me that clip in the pistol. I'm getting bread up by myself. You can get bread up by yourself. Niggas be hating, done it before.
Oh, it's like the one over here? Oh, shit.
He's gotta get a balance in there.
Oh. Yeah. Schmeats. Yeah.
See, this is painted off. It's straight heavy.
Oh, yeah, right. Better hope this don't fuck your shit up. I don't think it did anything else, honestly. If you just want to be spraying shit. First one on. Way harder. For sure. Get your work done in Elite Innovations Performance Off-Road in North Augusta, man. Shout out my boy Mondo. Hell yeah. Got that boy Brandon looking right. Shit gonna put me to sleep. If you know, you know, man. New set of graps hit different. They hit super different when they ball. About 30%. Get them hoes screaming. Should be on a different level. Trying this out is pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. It's on the sweet side. Yeah, so Brandon finna get off the Mudgrapps, man. New setup coming. We down here in Statesboro at Kibbee Kustom Lighting. Oh shit. So yeah, y'all check them out. You see how they pulling up. They need some 2616s. Yeah, them Forges. Some 38 Furies. This shit is hard as fuck. That shit going crazy.
I'm getting bread up by myself. You can get bread up by yourself. Niggas behave, I don't know before. I'm really alerting my bitch out your door. Catching these flies and sleep on the floor. Trying to get rich, gotta step out the Porsche. Get you some rest, so they open the door. They sit on the money, go get you some more.
Niggas be talking shit, they end up missing. Ballin' these niggas, I feel like I'm instant. I'm about to light this bitch up like it's Christmas. Stay in my lane, I ain't switching position. It's a red dot on the Glock, I ain't missing. Stay with the pole, nigga, like I'm fishing. Hop out the Porsche and we get to hitting. I got this shit by myself. Don't you get beside yourself. I did this shit with no help. Run up on me and you fell. Glock came with a rail. The shit you doing don't impress me. I'm sliding gliding like a jet ski. Been having no flexing. Young niggas just going in. Old nigga, you a has-been. Be about to get the clash in. AK is rushing. I ain't never have a helping hand. Open the door, gon' let me in. I'ma count up dividends. Young nigga, I'm gifted. Smoke blunts get lifted. Ball out like a maverick. And you know
Seeing Cap on the JTX. This bitch hard. I ain't gonna count. They out here going crazy.
big ass crib like the promised land Rick Ross shit. Swerving in that M coupe, goddamn, I'm so car sick. Little nigga want no smoke, so little nigga don't start shit. Hop in that space coupe, I'm a Jetson, I'm a Martian.
That boy Brandon is officially hard. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Come on, man. We got the Cam 1500 up here too. He getting some trans work done. He said he blew 3rd and 4th out.
Yeah, I just put up in that bird. Bitch give me brand like a nerd. I said that crane that's a yard. I'm in that lab with that yours. That money you got that ain't yours. Here's 200, I'm pushing that bitch at a lot, get a swerve. The motherfucking swerve.